Hello and welcome another video. This video I'll be specially showing you the bar graph in Google Sheet, how easy it is. So let's go directly here. This is my Google Sheet I have prepared already for you. So you can see a formula in Google Sheet that is specially there for creating bar graph. It is very simple. For example, you have a value and you want to show a bar graph as per the value. As value increases, you want to show the bar graph also showing longer. For example, here we have value 1. So I have used the formula, and this is the formula used throughout. It's the same formula everywhere. Okay, only thing is the character code is changed, this one inside. So this is the representation, how you are going to represent the bar graph. It can be text, a symbol, image, ASCII code, and then number of repetition is you can give hard-coded value or simply link to the value column. So the first I have this symbol, and the second I have the dot, big dot, that's ASCII character actually, and then I have space after the symbol and then dash. So that just to show you that you can actually modify this part. And I have here simple different symbol, and then I have star, tick mark, okay, and then the square, which is very nice to see, is a dark square, and then one rectangle, character 1 to 9. You can use something like this as well, and then rupee symbol or currency symbol you can use, and then you can even do dynamic thing like this. I have buy and then star, right? So buy and star, and you can create some more stuff to make it more whatever you like to see. Now here you can modify dynamically, like you see. So similarly, I have here in concatenation of two text. One is the dynamic one is the fixed static one. So that way you can change the dynamic part. You see. So that's all for this formula, REPT formula. Hope you like this one. It can be used many way to represent dashboard and something like that.